My children, come and sit down first. Grandma wants to ask you one question. If salary alone makes people rich, why are so many hardworking people still struggling after 20 or even 30 years of work? Stay with me, because today's lesson may change the way you see money forever. Many years ago in my village, there were two young men. They grew up together, went to the same school, prayed in the same church, and by God's grace, they got jobs in the same company on the very same day. Every month them collected exactly the same salary. Everyone believed their future would be the same, but life had another plan. The first young man loved showing people that he was doing well. Every payday, he bought new clothes, expensive shoes, the latest phone, and treated everyone around him. People praised him and called him successful. The second young man was different. Before spending anything, he quietly saved a little, invested a little, and only then spent what remained. Some people laughed at him and said he was too stingy. Tell me, my children, who do you think looked richer during those first few years? Of course, it was the one spending everything. But remember this: appearances can deceive. 5 years passed. The man who loved expensive things was still waiting anxiously for every payday. Once his salary finished, peace also disappeared from his home. But the quiet man, my children, something beautiful had started happening. His small investments had grown. His money had quietly begun working for him, even while he was sleeping. Do you see now? It was never about who earned more. It was about who gave every dollar an assignment instead of letting every dollar disappear. Many people keep praying for financial freedom without any plan. There is nothing wrong with that prayer, but if your habits remain the same, even double the salary may still disappear before the month ends. Grandma has seen people earn little and become wealthy. I have also seen people earn millions and remain trapped in debt. Money follows wisdom before it follows income. My children, every time your salary enters your account, don't ask, what can I buy? Ask yourself, what can I build? That one question can change your entire future. Don't compete with your neighbor's lifestyle. Compete with the future you are trying to create for your children. That future is worth every sacrifice you make today. The rich don't become wealthy because they have bigger salaries. They become wealthy because they refuse to waste what enters their hands. Discipline is their secret. Even if you can only save a small amount today, don't despise that beginning. Every mighty tree you see today once started as a tiny seed hidden beneath the ground. Don't be ashamed to start small. Be ashamed only if you refuse to start. Wealth grows quietly, little, until one day everyone calls you successful. My children, stop trying to look rich. Looking rich impresses strangers for a moment, but becoming truly wealthy can bless your family for generations. Always remember this: your salary is only a visitor. If you don't give it direction, it will leave your hands as quickly as it came. Money is like a seed. Eat every seed today, and tomorrow you will have nothing to harvest. Plant some of it, and your future will thank you. Promise Grandma today that before your next salary arrives, you will already have a plan for every dollar. That is how wise people live. One day, people will ask you, how did you become financially free? You will smile, because you will remember the day you stopped living only for payday. My prayer for you is this: may God give you not only more money, but also the wisdom to manage it well. If Grandma's words touched your heart today, share it with someone you truly love, because one good lesson can change an entire family's future. Now tell Grandma in the comments, If you received your salary today, what is the very first thing you would do with it? In our next lesson, Grandma will reveal the biggest financial mistake that quietly keeps families poor for generations. My children, don't miss it.